drivability of it, because you want both, right?
Right.
And that's the cool thing about what they do, is a lot of times, like demand, they're really focused on a number. And the problem with focusing on a number is you give up drivability. And so this has 485 horsepower, 465 foot-pounds of torque. And I'm just taking it easy when it feels, oh, there's a cop right there.
Oh, nice. You knew you were coming.
Yeah, I'll just, well, we'll be pulling off before then.
Okay.
But the way they tune it, I can go down to as far as 91 octane gas, right? So you gain more power as you go more,
Right.
93 or 100 if you choose to do race gas. But demand, you have, if you go anywhere below 93, if you can't get it, you're going to have some possibility of detonation. And they make a very robust, drivable car. So I'll start. I'll show you the lap, and then we'll do a few pulls.
Okay.
On it. Sometimes traffic gets in the way because this is obviously not a race track.
So do you race this, or does
Oh, yeah.
the driver? Okay.
Yeah, but I don't do. Oh boy, may not be able to go fast here. I'll hang back. Well, we'll just. I'll give it a punch quick. Because I couldn't really.
Yeah.
That traffic is actually building, so we'll see if we catch on the way back.
Yeah, rush hour in Oklahoma City, huh?
Well,
And what was your name again?
Lester.
Lester. Nice to meet you. I'm Christy.
What they've done with Hartech, and they're the exclusive North American builder. They're the only one in North America, the Slakker Racing for Hartech.
Okay.
And right now they're the only one there ever be. Is that they've figured out a way, and it's hard for them to explain it in layman's terms, but the way I look at it is they've recreated the Metzger engine in a larger form.
Okay.
And they can rebuild your engine to be that way.
Okay.
So you're going to see that this runs a lot like a Metzger engine. It's going to sound and feel like it.
Yeah, well, it sounds great. It sounds really cool.
All day long.
I know. Yeah, it's a nice little loop to get out in the exercise.
Sometimes traffic, you lost a couple pulls, but sometimes you get it, sometimes you get sometimes you get a little traffic. So which car do you tend to drive?
944.
944?
Yeah, 1985.
What a great car.
Yeah.
Do you have the S2 by chance?
No, it's just the NA.
Yeah?
And I also have a 996 2000s.
Oh, nice. That is a great car.
Yeah, I like it a lot. But the 944, I autocross and track it, or do DEs with it. So, the 996, my daily driver.
So they can take this older car and it'll almost stomp every new car. That's not a turbo.
Yeah. Very cool. Well, thank you so much for the drive. I appreciate that.
I'm Philip. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out another video, check it out right there.